Each year, over 2,000 tons of red king crab are harvested from the frigid waters of Alaska, generating millions of dollars in commercial value. But behind those numbers lies a challenging journey, where people battle raging waves and the harsh forces of nature. Let's explore the story behind this symbol of luxury and refinement. King crab, a prized delicacy in global cuisine. The Alaskan king crab stands out with its massive size, spiky hard shell, and sturdy long legs. Its meat is tender and sweet, making it a favorite dish in high-end restaurants and seafood markets. The crab legs, the most prized part, are often simply boiled or steamed to preserve their natural flavor. The king crab fishing season only lasts from October to January, a short but challenging period. This is the ideal time when crabs gather in large numbers. But it also brings harsh difficulties, with freezing temperatures and rough seas. Catching king crab in Alaska is not just a job. It's a grueling journey that requires skill and perseverance to withstand the extreme natural conditions. Before setting sail, each king crab fishing vessel must be meticulously prepared to face the harsh challenges of the North Pacific Ocean. Specialized equipment, including the system for hauling traps from the seabed, is thoroughly inspected and maintained to ensure optimal performance. Fresh bait is carefully prepared to attract crabs, while modern control systems help fishermen monitor and adjust the fishing process with precision. The sturdy steel traps, weighing up to 800 pounds, are meticulously inspected and lowered into the sea, ready for a long and challenging journey. Their smart design, featuring wide entrances, helps attract mature crabs while preventing smaller ones from entering, ensuring the protection of natural resources. Inside each trap, fresh bait is carefully placed to lure the giant king crabs. The crew lowers the traps to depths ranging from 200 to 600 feet and patiently waits, with soak times varying from a few hours to several days, depending on sea conditions. As the traps are hauled up, the crew must work with speed and absolute precision to harvest the crabs without compromising their quality. Each crab is carefully inspected to ensure it meets size standards, while smaller crabs and females are released back into the ocean to support long-term population sustainability and minimize impact on unintended species. The king crab fishing crew faces extreme challenges from nature: strong winds, rough waves, and the bone-chilling cold of the North Pacific Ocean. The work continues around the clock, with 100-pound traps being hauled up from the seabed, demanding both endurance and meticulous care. Every step of sorting crabs requires intense focus to avoid injuries from sharp shells or accidents on deck. The pressure to adhere to strict quotas adds to the stress and difficulty of the job. But it is also a crucial factor in determining the success of the trip. The king crab fishing industry in Alaska is a fusion of tradition, advanced technology, and conservation responsibility, where the harsh natural environment serves as both a challenge and a valuable ally. It is not just an industry, but a symbol of the deep connection between humans and nature, producing products rich in cultural significance. King crab is not just a luxurious delicacy, it is an essential part of global cuisine. In the US, it symbolizes luxury and is often featured at special gatherings and holiday celebrations, representing hospitality and respect. In Japan, king crab is crafted into exquisite sashimi dishes, honoring the pinnacle of culinary artistry. Beyond its culinary appeal, the Alaskan king crab industry plays a crucial role in natural resource conservation, creating a balance between consumption and environmental protection. As a result, king crab is more than just a premium dish. It is a cultural icon, reflecting the intersection of tradition, culinary refinement, and ecological responsibility. After being caught, king crabs are immediately placed into specialized seawater tanks on the vessel, designed to preserve their vitality and maintain top quality before being transported to processing facilities. These tanks are filled with natural seawater, replicating the crab's familiar habitat to minimize stress and prevent exhaustion, ensuring they remain healthy and fresh until they reach consumers. The king crab holding tank system is designed with a continuous water circulation mechanism to ensure adequate oxygen levels for the crab's respiration. The water temperature is also carefully regulated to maintain the natural conditions they are accustomed to, preventing thermal stress and preserving meat quality. This process not only keeps the crabs healthy and alive, but also ensures their meat remains fresh and flavorful, meeting the highest standards for processing and consumption. Upon arrival at the processing facility, king crabs undergo a rigorous inspection process combined with advanced technology. First, they are carefully sorted by size, weight, and quality. Only crabs that meet the standards are sent to the automated processing line, where state-of-the-art robotic arms equipped with sensors and precision cutting tools efficiently separate the crab legs. This process ensures product consistency, optimizes resource utilization, and minimizes waste. After being pre-processed, crab legs are typically steamed, boiled, or cooked to preserve their freshness and natural flavor. Immediately afterward, the freezing process is carried out to maintain the product's quality for long-term storage. Notably, some crab legs are kept whole and carefully packaged, ready to be served to chefs for preparing premium dishes, ensuring not only excellent taste but also impressive presentation. Each step in the processing procedure is carefully designed to balance speed, efficiency, and quality, resulting in premium king crab products that meet the highest standards, ready to serve the global market. King crab meat is processed through a modern procedure that ensures the preservation of its full flavor and freshness. After being caught and transported to the processing facility, the crab meat is carefully extracted either by hand or advanced machinery. The cleaning process is meticulously carried out to remove shells and impurities, helping the crab meat maintain its freshest and best quality. Next, the crab meat is carefully sorted by size and quality, then moved to the packaging process in a completely sanitary environment. To protect the moisture and natural flavor, the crab meat is packaged in vacuum-sealed boxes or bags. Some king crab products are immediately frozen using quick freezing technology, which helps preserve the best quality throughout the shipping process. The final product is not only convenient for consumers, but also meets international food safety standards, ready to serve global markets. With a meticulous processing procedure and modern technology, king crab is not only a gourmet dish, but also a work of art, offering exquisite flavor and exceptional quality. Experience this dish and discover the cultural value behind every king crab. If If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and follow us for more exciting updates on the world of gourmet cuisine. Thank you for watching.